Alright guys, this is an eBay listing for a Monoprice or MP Select Mini V2. At least that's what's showing up online as. It's going to be sold as is. I can't get anything to print, but I can show you that everything's heating up. I tried downloading Cura and a couple other things. I don't know what I'm doing with this thing. Alright, so I'll show you. Let's see, turn the light on there. Let's see right there. Hold on. Right there. It's hard to get it in the right spot. Alright, you can see that's heating up. The bed, I think it only goes up to 60. I have it set on 60 to go to 60. Alright, what I'm going to do to show you that all this goes up and down, back and forth. We'll do the home axis, and that's going to bring it back to, start bringing this down. Also, while that's happening, I'm going to do the extruder and push some of this through. You can see it's, okay, so we know it's pushing out some, it's going to be hot. Alright, so we know it's going up and down right now. Well, no, because I went into that, so that would have stopped it. So we go back down to home accent. So it's going to bring it down where it needs to be, down to the base. It's going to touch and then go up and touch again. Alright, let's see. Then exit. Monitor. I got those temps going. Now I tried downloading like this extruder arm and everything like that, because up here you can see that one of these little pieces are broken off. My brother must have printed that. This is his. He's gone. He's moved out of the house. So this stuff that he no longer uses. So it goes into here. And, you know, I sat here and waited, but you would think you'd see it moving or something. I was looking online, they said that you have to download Cura and then, you know, install it through here. So print. Let's try. Trying to see if I can get it to move. Or I really don't know what I'm doing with this thing. I really can't tell if it's doing anything or what. Anyways, update, or the firmware might need to be updated. I'm not sure. But you will get this roll of filament, ABS black, pretty much the whole thing. Kind of go over the whole thing for you. You'll get the original SD card that was in it when, of course, I grabbed it out of the closet. And of course you have your power and everything back there. I just don't know what I'm doing with it. It'd be nice. I was trying just to print one of these before I try to sell it, but I really don't know what I'm doing. And I don't want to mess it up anymore by trying to install different things and etc. etc. I just went online and tried to install or download a couple of files, 3D files to print, you know, test files or whatnot. So I don't know what I'm doing because I watched a couple of videos and people were typing code into a computer, etc. etc. So this is just going to be sold as is on eBay under BayAreaAuction77. Again, that's BayAreaAuction77. I'll try to put a link in there for it. But all right, guys, hope this helps. I wish I could tell you more about it or get to print something. It's just way out of my league. Well, I used to be really big into tech stuff. And I'd be able to zip, zip, zip and get it all done, but I don't use computers anymore. I mean, everyone's using just phones, but I used to build computers and do all that, but nowadays, nope. So this is being sold for what it is. All right, guys, hope this video helps. Bye.